Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate NetSuite CRM for account management, full guide step by step clearly. To activate NetSuite CRM for account management, start by logging into your NetSuite account. Once logged in, navigate to the Setup menu. From the Setup menu, select Company and then click on Enable Features. Check the box next to Customer Relationship Management. Next, scroll down to the Salesforce Automations section. Ensure that the features you want to utilize are also checked. Click the Save button at the bottom of the page to apply your changes. After saving, go back to the Setup menu. This time, navigate to Customizations. Select Forms and then choose Transaction Forms. Here, you can customize forms related to account management. Next, set up user roles to manage access and permissions. Go to Lists, then select Employees. From the employee list, choose the user whose role you want to modify. Click on the user's name to open their profile. Scroll down to the Access tab. Assign the appropriate role for CRM access by selecting it from the drop-down menu. Click Save to confirm the changes. Now, set up your customer records for account management. Navigate to Lists and click on Relationships. Select Customers to access customer records. Click New to create a new customer record. Fill in the required fields such as name, email, and contact information. Once completed, click Save. Repeat this process for all customers you need to manage. Next, you can create opportunities or leads. Navigate to the Sales tab. Select Opportunities, then click on New. Fill out the opportunity details and assign it to the relevant customer. Click Save once done. To track communications, use the Activities section. Select Activities from the navigation menu. Here, you can schedule meetings, calls, or tasks related to customer accounts. Make sure to record all interactions for future reference. Finally, utilize reports to analyze account management effectiveness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.